Do you have big goals at your agency? And do you consistently struggle with tying the big vision of where you want to go, how you want to serve, and the impact that you want to make with the boots on the ground actual activities that you need to be keeping inside of your business? I'm Allison Caffrey. I'm the host of 3 Minute Ops Tips, and I'm here to give you some quick and dirty practical advice that you can implement into your business immediately. Now, this is probably one of the biggest things that I see inside of agencies is that we have lots and lots of ideas, lots and lots of things that we want to do to grow the business, to serve clients more intentionally, to grow our impact. And for whatever reason, we kind of struggle with that messy middle around having a really impactful idea or really great vision for how things can operate and actually tactically being able to fulfill on that. So if you consider kind of breaking down our goals or our vision necessarily into kind of a handful of buckets that live underneath, we've got our vision here at the top. We've got our actual goals just below, right? You only probably have one vision and just a handful of goals that you want to hit for the quarter or for the year. Then we jump into the strategies. So what strategies are we going to actually implement in order to bring us closer toward those goals? Then within those strategies, we have a bucket of tactics, right? What kind of tactics are we going to be using internally, right? If a strategy is running paid advertising, a tactic could be running traffic to a tiny offer versus running traffic to a freebie. And then what are the activities that we need to keep? Now, this is the biggest miss. What activities, right? We're not going to be reactive. So to-do lists and activities are completely different. I've done a completely separate episode about that specifically. But what activities have that to-do lists do not is that activities are proactive, right? We are in a position where we are blocking time intentionally to be fulfilling on those activities that are going to directly bring us some momentum in the direction of our vision that we've set forth for the business. Now, the reason why activities do not get completed is because the to-do lists of the day-to-day creep into some of those activities. And what ends up happening is we crowd out the essential to tend to the urgent. And my hope is that leveraging this system to be able to chart out your vision, your goals, your strategies, your tactics, and your activities. This is the way that you can work on your business growth versus being a kind of employee and having, having your to-do list and task list be really reactive inside of the business. So if you want to learn some more about how I do this, I have a wonderful training called the Annual Planning Advantage. It's absolutely free. If you send me a DM on Instagram, just DM me Advantage, I will send you the training 100% free. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time.